There goes a school bus. I almost missed that, but that's alright. There's the school bus. A doubleheader. Look at that, a doubleheader. Oh look, a triple header. Triple header school bus. Don't stop. You stop. Oh, but he's going away. You know what the last videos are? It's going like, hold on. I'll stop. Nope. After I ran it on the car. Poor little car. There it is. There it is. There's a short one. Not one again. It's right here. There's a cool bus. Right here. But he's going that way first. They're going all the way first. They're reversing. Alright, sorry. Sorry about that. I'm about to skip up. I'm gonna stop. There's a blooper coming. With a wobbly steering wheel. Yo, that's a There goes another. Oh, here, doubleheader! Doubleheader school bus! Doubleheader school bus! Here it goes. Doubleheader school bus. Doubleheader school bus. There's a blooper coming into the BMG. Wow, look at the BMG. Thanks for watching. I know that's a short video always here, but thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.